Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Active Directory users and computers, learn how to open the console and use it. Just for your information, Active Directory is also called AD. It is found on any Windows server with the Active Directory domain service. It's a directory with user accounts, computer security groups, printers and file share systems. Namely, the purpose of Active Directory, it's a tool installed on the Windows server. When working with domain controller, you can expect to see Active Directory. It's a centralized security administration where you can add and remove users and give permissions to the users, and it's a global centralized place where users authenticate. And most common tasks which are in Active Directory are create, deleting user. Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how to access Active Directory and the overview of Active Directory. Firstly, click on Start on the bottom left of your server and access Server Manager. Okay, under Server Manager, go to Manage. Go to Tools and access Active Directory users and computers. Okay. Now this is the Active Directory users and computers. You need to log on to your domain to access it. My domain is rocks.com. Okay, and this is the Active Directory users and computers, where we have groups, users, computers, OUs and security groups. Okay, and these are the contents, and on the menu we have file, action, view, help. Okay, in file you can select options. You can delete the profiles from this console, and you can exit from file menu. In the action menu, it's the exact menu. You can also right click on the contents, it's the same menu. Under view, you can show or hide additional menu options. Most probably in advanced features we have very advanced options. Filter options would show the object types. It would be several different object types: user, contacts, computers and so on. We can select the relevant one needed. You can just select and click on OK, and it would show you. We are not going to do that now. There is a customize options. It allows us to customize more. You can either show or hide the options. The default configuration should work fine. Under help, it would give you help options. It also gives you the version of Microsoft Management Console. By clicking over here, you can see. Most probably we don't use this help option. We only use the actions or view tabs. So below that you see several action buttons. This is forward and backward option, and there are several other options following. It depends on the what kind of option you select. Yeah, you can navigate and check what exactly each button does as per the option selected. This is the saved queries. It's commonly ignored by many administrator, it is easy to locate like logged out accounts and many such instances. You can create those searches and create them in saved queries for easier access. This is my domain, and you can right click on it. You will get the actions menu. Firstly, you can delegate control. Okay, uh, you can extend that by delegating the control to a particular group or users, okay, for this active directory domain. And the next option is find. We can try to search any user contacts or groups. It could be done from here. uh, you can choose what kind of objects you're looking for and what kind of option you're searching for. This find option should help. And you can change the domain by selecting change domain option. You can do this if you have any subdomain. From here you can just browse and select that, but currently we do not have any subdomain created. If I had any subdomain or trusted domain, it would be listed here. We can also change a domain controller from here. As we have only one domain controller, this is the only one showing over here, or else you'll be seeing multiple options over here. And this raise domain function 11 option is used to. uh, it is mostly updated to the latest domain. If we have 2012 domain controller, and you are currently on 2016, and it would be on 2012 domain controller, you can't use the features of 2016. You can only use the 2012 features. You need to raise the domain functional level to use the features of 2016 or any such. As I do not have any other domain controller, it's by default 2016 because mine is on 2016. We have operation masters, we have schema master and relating naming master, primary domain controller, and there is infrastructure master. You can choose what server would have what role, and you can change it namely from here. It's a Active Directory is a multi-master database. It allows multiple domain controllers. So this is where the operation master steps in by only allowing certain domain controller to make the changes. Since we don't have any additional domain controllers, we have only one listed over here. We can click on close and proceed with the other options. There is a new option here. You can create computer, contact group, and so on from here. We have all tasks. It's the action items over here. We have resultant set group policy. It depends on the object you're clicking on. If we choose the properties, you can get the basic information of the Active Directory or the domain from here. We can close. This is what basic understanding about Active Directory and its options. We'll go in depth going forward. Okay, thank you.